Explosion reported at San Diego Navy Hospital. An explosion and gunshots were reported at the San Diego Navy Hospital Monday afternoon. Police later confirmed there was no shooting. Police said the panic was caused by a fire in a construction trailer at the hospital. Police resources were not needed. Thick smoke from a small trailer fire at the San Diego Naval Medical Center could be seen for miles around Balboa Park, federal fire department officials said. A car with an attached trailer caught fire shortly after 1 p.m. Monday on the 34,800 block of Bob Wilson Drive in San Diego, according to federal fire officials.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.